What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive with GoHighLevel. Upload your files to Google Drive. This could be contracts, proposals, PDFs, or onboarding documents. Next, go to that file, select it, and then scroll to the right and hit the three dots. Then select Share, Copy Link. Now go into GoHighLevel. You can then go to your contacts, click a contact that you would like to send this link to. You can then start a new conversation by either sending an SMS, WhatsApp, email, and then simply paste the link into the chat or email. Now the client can access the files directly from your conversations. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.